pieces na po? Dati kasi nag-try ako na yung malaki niya, tapos hindi pala siya okay. Idikita kung bitin mo pa talaga pag sumuka. Eh, mas goods na goods pala itong maliit na phone drinks. And alam niyo ba, mga ma'am, siya mga oras na ako pala na ito, eh sobrang alas 2 na nga ng tanghali at sobrang init na. And alam niyo ba, mga ma'am, siya nagsimula nga ako, sobrang alas 9 ng umaga, pero tignan niyo naman, naabuti na talaga ako ng hapon ito.
So how many relatives you have over here, my room stays mine. If they go back on that, the natural consequence for them is for you to pack your shit and leave. This was never formally implemented. It was all just agreed between family. But what happened? A bunch of family members visited a month ago, and my parents told me to give my room for them my space. When I tried to stand my ground and talk to them about it, they told me it was their decision as it was their house. Instead of just accepting it, I called my grandparents on my mom's side. I asked if they had room for me and if they were okay with me.
At kahit sobrang simple lang po ng Katrina ito, mga mamsi, pero pagod po at nagmamahalin po muna ni Mr. Jan para sa mga anak. Eh, maliit lang po ito ng Katrina, mga mamsi, pero magkakasya naman na may pamilya ni Ate Johanny dahil po na nga talaga sa mga oras nito. Eh, kapag tigat pa talagang hindi matuloy ang mga tao na to, paano ba naman kasi tinutotok na naman yung hotel namin. Buti na lang talaga at sabi ng
My siblings offered us a comfort, telling me to respect our father's wishes. Then, after they signed, the lawyer got out a second document. It rained the day father passed away. Naturally, just a light drizzle pattering against the window. He left at 3 in the morning. I was right there beside him. Only I was